Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Seifu's Vlogs here, and today we are discussing one of the exciting topic, that is about one of the Google products. Google's form is one of the Google's products we are extensively using to collect the informations widely and it's efficiently for data collection. And we can use Google Form in many ways. We are discussing in detail about what are the uses of Google Forms here. Before going to the video, first of all, please subscribe my channel and also please click the bell icon near to my channel name and support me. Thank you. Google Forms are exclusively used in customer feedback surveys and job applications, online quizzes, order forms, online question papers, and online surveys, online poll or elections, online assessments. Like many areas, they were using the Google Form, especially for the feedback from customers or employees or students. They were using exclusively this service using the Google Form. So let's observe some of the uses, and we will create some templates or examples for the Google Form, and we will see how it will work for us definitely. First of all, we'll go to the first example, Google Form using the customer feedback service.
Create a customer feedback form. First of all, you have to go to the Google Form. Either you can directly go to the Google Apps and you can search over there, and if you get from there, you can choose from there, or else you can directly go to the Google and you can search the Google Forms, and you have to sign in using your email account, then only you can access the Google Forms. So now I'm opening a blank form. You have to click on the blank forms, and here you have to give, there is an untitled form. Now you have to give a proper name to this, proper title. So customer feedback form I'm giving. Okay, and you can give a description also. You give the heading or title to this form, automatically it will display over here, and you can copy the same title and you can paste over here also. Now I'm going to add the some of the tabs, like questions I'm adding, which are the feedback sections we want to do. So I'm adding a customer name I can add. So I have to click on this plus symbol, so they will be add a question. So this customer name I'm giving, and whether you want to give it is a short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down. There are many options are there. You can choose any of the option. Usually when the customer name and like short answers, we will choose a short answer, and you can give a description also. And here one required session is there. If you click on the, if you select the required session, then there is a star icon, a red star icon will come here. That means that session is compulsory. Without that you cannot move to the next tab. Automatically when you submitting the form, it will stuck over there. It will show a compulsory section, it will show. And here a delete button there and a duplicate button there. You want to create with same type of things, you can create the duplicate sessions. And here importing questions, you can import questions from outside, and title and description you can modify. You can add image to this, and you can add video, and you can add sections. Let me add some more questions also, like a customer ID. I'm giving customer ID. So also I'm giving a short answer. A required session I'm giving. Okay, then next one I'm giving some questions, or have you satisfied product. You can choose again, this multiple choice questions. You can give like see, some suggestions will be displayed here. You can choose from the suggestions there, so yes or no, like that. You can choose the suggestions, or if you don't want, you can remove from here. Second, you can remove from here. See, there is two linear scale mean from 1 to 5. That mean we are giving a range of 1 to 5. The range 1 stands for you can give extremely bad quality, and 5 for very good quality, like that you can give. Or you can choose multiple choice option also, like excellent quality, and good quality, or fair, or you can go poor quality, like that you can give. Then this is the way you have to add the question. If you suppose some extra questions are there, then you can remove. Suppose I don't want this area, this tab I don't want, then you can click directly on the delete button. You have to select this tab and you have to click on the delete button. Automatically it will be deleted. So now this is the basic feedback form of a customer feedback form we just created. Now if you want to see the preview, there is a button there, preview, and you can see the preview, how it look like there. And in the settings you can add some more options, like a general, presentation, and quiz. More sessions are there. So when you add quiz, automatically make this, it will become a quiz. Okay, and immediately after each submission, the response will be after each submission, the response, the release the marks, like that. Then you can give later or after manual review, you can release the mark. Usually this will apply whenever we are doing the online question paper for setting for students or examination time. We will set this. We don't want to release the mark that immediately. We will later manually review and check any corrections are required, then we will release the mark later. And respondents can get an alert of missed questions, correct answers, point values, how much point they received, correct answer or not, like that you can choose. So we can set in the form of a quiz also. And in the general session, response recipients collect email address, so automatically it will collect an email address. When the form comes in, email address also will be. And here one option, limit to one response. In this option, customer limited to only one response only. Once the response is submitted, it is automatically he will be out of the Google form. And if you are not clicking, then another one is there, edit after submit. Then after submission, he can edit and you can again resubmit it. Suppose if you choose the wrong options, and you can resubmit again by choosing this option. And so this is the way. I'm just saving this, limit to only one responses I'm saving. Okay, so this is the way to create. Now see, we will go to the preview and we will see how a customer feedback log. See, whenever the required sessions, a star, this will come, it cannot come, and without this session we cannot move forward. Let's submit one feedback form and we will try for that. Now you see, I just filled all the things, like email address, customer name, customer ID, and the tick options I chose, and the quality of the product also. And I have to submit. I have to click on submit. Once you submit, see, your response has been recorded. Now you can edit your response, because we give already an option that to edit your response. And if you are a owner of this page, and you will get, see, there is a edit this form, there is a pen icon will display there. From if you click there, and you can edit this form again. That is only available for those who are created, or if you are sharing or collaboration, you did a collaboration with them, then see. So this is about the Google form. Now see, we submitted one response. Okay, so we can see the response whether it is submitted or not. See, when we'll come to the this is a question session, and see in the response session one response has been recorded. We can see all the things you can see, like customer ID, customer name, whether the party participated. See here graphical representation it will show. That is one of the advantage of this Google form. Option accepting responses or not. So if you select this, now nobody will able to send the responses. Suppose I want to be limited to a specific time. Suppose I am giving only for half an hour only, I am giving time for customers to submit the response. Then I can select this. So automatically customers will submit the response and I can log. Then they cannot do again further that. Now see, there is a spreadsheet icon there. So all the your responses will be submitted to the spreadsheet. So you can create that, click on create. So automatically that spreadsheet will get created and it will be displayed here. So all the tabs we created, everything will display here. One more thing will display timestamp. That means which time and date, which date you are submitted, exact date and time you submitted, it will also display here. In this data, as usual, Excel, you can make a copy, you can download, and whatever things you can do, you can do filter and whatever things you can do for a Google spreadsheet or Excel sheet, everything you can do. You can download to an Excel sheet and you can do all the analysis, you can all the conversions, formula, applying formula, everything you can do there. So this is all about creating a basic form and how to preview and how to submit a form, how to see a response in the window. This is only the creator side only. For the respondent side only, they can see only this window only, they cannot see any other window. And once you submitted, there is you can send. Suppose I want to send this form to somebody else, then you can click on here, you can click on the send button, and here there is an embed button also. So this link will be embedded, so you can copy. See, I copied this URL and now you can forward.
The second one we are using for it is one of the feedback form to any website or blog, or if you are creating a channel and you want to rate about your channel, how good your channel, how your followers they are giving the accurate feedback whether or not. That you can do using the Google form. You can create review your channel or rate your channel, you can do. Let's see how can we create a Google form with rating your channel. Let's see that.
See, now I created here a channel survey the same way we already discussed that how to create. See here just I added extra only name of the follower and how would you rate my YouTube channel or website or blog, how would you rate, whether it's acceptable, need improvement, not good, or fair, like that. You can add the options, and I added one more option, what could I do better next time. So those who are followers or those who supporters, they can write over here, they can improve the audio quality.
The third one we are here, we are just as taken as an example of online attending online exams like a MCQ, fill in the blanks, and true or false questions you can create and you can set for the students and they can utilize that one. We will see how an online quiz of how it will work and how can we create. We will see that.
See, I just added now one online quiz. Same way we created, only extra we added like a class and division I added, and questions also I just changed it. Suppose the identify the shape. Okay, suppose student want to identify which shape this is. So here you can select this image option. There is one image option there, and you can select that, and you can add the images over here. And here extra one thing is added, which is the largest country in the world. See, given the setting as a quiz, and it automatically act as a quiz only. So what is the things? No, you can add here answer key also. Suppose there is one option will come answer key. See, you can see an answer key option over here, and whether the answer key is you can add. Suppose in the class and section I am not identify the shape. This is the first question, so I am adding here answer key. Suppose the answer is square, so I can give here a 1 mark for this, 1 point for this one, and also I can choose the correct answer. Here I can choose. This is only for the paper setters. Those who are setting the paper, they can see. And when the preview form comes, the respondent or the student, they cannot see this option. This is only for teachers can see it.
To learn and to get the feedback from customers, from the employees, from students, and many areas we can use that. Hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, once again please subscribe and click the bell icon also. Hope we will come back with a new video soon. Bye.